In a large bowl, combine 5 cups oats, 1 cup walnuts, 1 cup sliced almonds, 1 cup shredded coconut. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly. In a small pot, blend 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 6 tablespoons salted butter, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1/2 cup honey, and 1/4 cup peanut butter, and optionally the 1 to 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. Place the pot on low heat. Stir until fully blended and smooth. Pour the melted mixture into the dry ingredients and mix thoroughly until everything is evenly coated. Spread the granola mixture onto a large cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, creating an even layer about 1/2 inch thick. Bake for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven, stir the granola, and flatten it back down to an even layer. Drizzle additional honey in a crisscross pattern over the top of the flattened granola. Bake for an additional 20 to 25 minutes or until the granola is golden brown and as crunchy as you like. Let the granola cool completely before breaking it up into chunks. Break apart and enjoy. Take the big pieces to go, like traditional granola bars, and save the rest for cereal or as a topping for yogurt or smoothies. This granola has everything you need for long-lasting energy. The oats provide slow-digesting carbs for steady, sustained energy. Honey, with its low glycemic index, offers a slower release of sugars, giving you more balanced energy without the spike and crash that comes with high glycemic carbs. And maple syrup provides quick, natural sugars for immediate energy.